This is the original ice charger from the Fast and Furious 8. This was driven by Vin Diesel, aka Dom in the movie, and it's based off a Dodge Charger, but one of the only original panels left right here on the roof. Everything else has been redone. Got something cool to show you. Look at this! This turbine actually shoots flames. And then this charges the EMP, the electromagnetic pulse. Now, if you turn this on, it would actually pull helicopters out of the sky. It completely shuts down any kind of electronics around it. Let's get in. Can you believe this is the actual car from the movie? Wow. Alright, this is how you turn it on. This is the master switch, so we're just going to pull this around, turn it on. And now, here goes. Head round the back. One more thing, there are two brakes down here. Look, this one is the standard brake. This one is just for the rear wheels. When you push on this one, it means that you can drift super easy because it's just for the rear two wheels.